Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today is Sunday Funday, which means you're going to get a hodgepodge of all kinds of stuff. First thing we're going to do is an unboxing. Now this is not a subscription box. I won a giveaway. I won a giveaway from Just Nina. If you guys haven't seen her channel, you have to go over and check it out. She is a hoot. She does unboxings, hauls, sample Saturdays, a week of masking, all kinds of fun stuff. I will make sure I link her channel down below. So here is what the box looks like. It's got some little flowers on the side I had to show you. Let me go ahead and open it and we'll see what she has for us. Here is what the inside of the box looks like. A little bit of a sneak peek. I'm excited, Nina. I am excited. Okay, let's pull this big kahuna out on top. This is a Garnier Skin Active Glow Boost. Fresh Mix Sheet Mask. Brighter, energized, more radiant skin in just one application. It's like a liquid. Look, can you see it in here? It kind of shifts around when you squish it. Oh, okay, look. So here's the solution down here, and then there's a mix up here. Cool. This is awesome. Glow Boost Fresh Mix Sheet Mask. I've never seen anything like that before, Nina. Thank you. All right, next we have Isle of Paradise Color Correcting Self-Tanning Drops for the face and the body. Oh, it looks like this came out. Here we go. There we go. Here's what the inside looks like. And then here is the little bottle. How cute is that? Self-tanning drops. Neat. It's time to own your glow. Control your glow with medium self-tanning drops. That sounds fun. It says mix with your moisturizer to transform your skin tone into a custom self-tanner. And then it even has right here like the number of drops to use to get the right color. So sun-kissed, golden, and bronze. Wow, this might actually last for a while, guys, if you mix it with your own lotion. Jeez, I've never seen anything like that either. I don't get out a lot, but still. Okay, next we have Athletic Skin Lubricant in Chamois Cream. All natural and paraben free. Says, don't let chafing issues creep up on you. For added comfort and to prevent saddle sores apply beet wicks. Is that what it's called? Yeah, or bet wicks. Directly to all at-risk skin areas. So this is going to be really cool too. I could use this because y'all know what do they call it? Chub rub? Or my boys run, and I have a feeling they might be able to use this too. So very excited to have that. Next we have an AOA cleaning egg. Leaves makeup brushes squeaky clean. Holy Moses, I was just looking at these. And I decided not to get it. Not this, but at makeup brush cleaners. But I'm like, I don't know how to use those. I wouldn't even know what to buy. Now, I don't have to. Wow. This is awesome. I'm going to open it so I can show you. Look. Here's the texture. It's got an opening here. Very nice. I love this. Golly, wowzers. I feel so spoiled. Serious, guys, you got to go over and check out her channel. She is awesome. Next, we've got, oh, no, Nina. I wanted one of these too. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Look. Look at this. It's one of those things that you use to like push the lymphatic fluid around in your face, and it helps reduce like swelling, not swelling, but fluid retention and puffiness. I've been looking at these, like watching people use them. In fact, Steve's over here. I was just telling you I wanted one of these. You remember I made you watch that YouTube video and the lady was like doing this and a little jiggle and then down and then jiggle and down. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Ah! much stuff in there. I'm so excited. Okay. Next we have, oh, she sent me brush cleaner to go with my little thing. Oh, yeah. Rose scented antibacterial spray. Thank you, Nina. This is awesome. Yummy. Rose, I love rose. That is my favorite scent, so you can't go wrong there. My gosh. All right, next we have a bath bomb. Oh, I'm sorry, it's an F bomb. Yes, it's amethyst. I can smell it through the plastic. Make sure Ava doesn't get into this one. Why? Because you like to steal my bath bombs. Next, we have a super cute little unicorn plastic bag. It has a zip top on it. Looks like it was already open. Okay, maybe it wasn't and I'm just not smart enough to open it. Come on, Jen. Gotta be smarter than... Oh, see, there we go. And then expand a little bit, and there it is. Very cool. Next, we've got some Bullfrog Shave Gel, Face Wash, and Moisturizer. Love trying this stuff out, but this says man's best friend. Is it for women too, or is it like a men's wash? Skincare for men. I guess I won't use it. I could try it, but I'm going to let Chaos Steve try it and see what he thinks. And then this, I've never done one of these either. It is one of the Yes to Tea Tree Scalp Relief for dry, itchy scalp. It is a soothing, instant, no rinse shampoo cap. That looks super fun. Yes to coming clean with tea tree and sage oil. I love tea tree and sage. To help soothe an itchy scalp anytime you want to refresh or restyle your hair without washing or rinsing it. Hey, this is like dry shampoo in a cap. Very cool. Very cool. That was so much fun. Oh my goodness. Nina, thank you so much for all the work you put into your channel and for putting together this awesome giveaway. I absolutely love it. Like I said, guys, her channel is linked down below. Please go down and check out her channel. She's so much fun. I crack up laughing almost every time she makes a video. She is a hoot. Peekaboo, Future Jen here. So, as you can see, still got the clapping thing going on. I look a little different than I did in the last part of the video. That's because today is Sunday Funday, and I had a couple more really fun things show up on my doorstep that I wanted to share with you today. So, first thing being are these two signs. Now, the first two things that I'm about to show you, I'm honestly excited about all of it. I'm always excited, in case y'all haven't noticed. I found a couple of quotes last week that I absolutely loved, so I decided I needed them on signs for my office. So I reached out to a girl on Facebook. Her name is Sydney. I will leave all of her contact information down below in case you guys decide you would like to order anything as well. She is amazing. She's just a sweet little lady, works out of her home and just does special orders for people. She had these ready for me so fast, and she charged me $10 for each one. Now, I did go to her house and pick these up because she lives close by, so I would imagine if you order anything and they need to be shipped, she's going to charge you extra for shipping and handling. And of course, it depends on the size that you want and how much detail it requires. So, $10 is what I paid for each of these, but don't quote me on that when it comes to your order. She's very, very fair priced. Like I said, a very sweet girl. I will leave all of her contact information down below. Guys, if you reach out to her or if you want me to reach out to her for you, just let me know and show me some pictures of what you got. I love everything that she has. She's actually made a whole bunch of stuff for my daughter Ariana. Let me show you the first one. First quote that I wanted on a sign is, "Don't look back, you're not going that way." And this is the sign that she made me. How cute is that? It's very clearly handmade, but it just adds the stinking character and the cuteness to it. She puts her name on the back of all of her work, and it's just a wooden canvas. It's super lightweight, so super easy to hang in the office. Don't look back, you're not going that way. This is my motivation. My new mantra right now. I get hung up on my past so easily. And honestly, I don't have any control over those situations. They're done and they're gone. And the only thing that I have control of is how I move forward. Here we go. And the next one. I read this quote and it literally made me laugh out loud. Kim, if you're watching this, you're going to be surprised what it says. So in the last tag video that we did, or one of the most recent ones, we were talking about, somehow Kim from A Girl on Her Phone and I got to talking about patience levels, and we both determined that we have very low levels of patience. Very low. Lots of pet peeves, and just in general, just, you know, we're not cranky on women or nothing, but we've got some pet peeves. So when I read this, I knew it was meant for me. And it is, stop petting my peeves. And she put this little rope cord on there for me to hang it with. And I am in love. She does do bigger signs. I just, like I said, wanted to hang these in my office, so I asked for the smaller ones. And then there's her little signature. So we have stop petting my peeves. And don't look back. You're not going that way. I love these. Thank you very much to Miss Sydney. Just in case you watch this video, I'm going to try and get your name out there, girls, so hopefully we can get you some more business. She's got a good heart, very sweet person. Like I said, she's done so much for my daughter, Ariana. So whatever we can do to support her in her journey to grow her art business, guys, come on, let's do it. Let me know if you get anything. And the last thing that I want to show you today, and this is it, I promise, is Happy Mail from one of my subscribers. I got a message from one of my subscribers yesterday, and she was like, hey, I sent you a package. Did you get it? And I'm like, I rarely go check my P.O. box. I'm supposed to get notifications when I get something, but clearly that's not happening. So I went to the P.O. box, and sure enough, Happy Mail from one of my subscribers. This subscriber's name is Rose. So huge thank you to Rose for thinking of me. Guys, you are just absolutely amazing. Rose, your kindness and your sweetness is just beyond words. So thank you so very much. Got a little card here that says Jen on the outside because, you know, Jen is me. She gave me a little card with flowers on it. And it says, thinking of you and hoping you feel better and better and better each day. How sweet is that? It says, hope you're feeling better. I'm so happy how your channel is growing. You deserve it. Love your channel, Rose. Thank you, Rose. That really touched my heart, and it means a lot to me. And yes, I am feeling much better. You guys want to see what she got me? So if any of you guys have been watching me for a while, or even if you're new, because I post usually about one a week. If you've watched my day in a lives, I always start out by showing you guys the coffee cup that I'm using, right? Because Chaos Jen collects coffee cups. Well, guess what Rose sent me? She sent me a New Jersey coffee cup. Look at that. It's got a bunch of the state information on it, and of course it has New Jersey on there and then the Jersey Shore. So I'm going to be, oh, and packing peanuts in it. That scared me, guys. I turned it over and something hit my hand. I thought it was like a great big spider or something, because I did have this sitting out in my breezeway for a minute until I had time to record. I'm okay though. I'm okay. So anyways, I'm going to write Rose on there and then the date that I got it, just to make this memory super special. But Rose, again, thank you so very much for thinking of me. Like I said, my subscribers, guys, you are the absolute best and my biggest motivator much of the time. So, all right. Back to the past, Jen. I will let you go now because I know I tend to get carried away with the chit chat. Real quick though, before we go, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up and hitting that like button down below, I would absolutely appreciate it. It encourages YouTube to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. And speaking of YouTube families, if you guys are not a member of mine, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love the chance to get to know you better. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.